Are you a Mastercard holder? You may be eligible for a free global data plan with FlexiRoam. Let's walk you through the process to avail your free global data plan. First, download the FlexiRoam app from your app store or visit the website and create your FlexiRoam account. Once you're signed up, go to the homepage and click on Check Eligibility on the Mastercard redemption banner. Next, enter your Mastercard number and email address to redeem your offer. After that, you will simply need to complete a pre-authorization step. Pre-authorization is a standard security practice, ensuring your card details are protected while making your purchase. Remember, this is not an additional charge. It's simply a temporary hold for verification. If you're eligible, you can score a free data plan. Plus, you'll enjoy 15% off all subsequent data plans when purchased using your linked Mastercard. Please note, eligible cardholders are entitled to one redemption per eligible card per calendar year. And that's it. Sign up as a Mastercard user today and start enjoying your free global data plan with FlexiRoam. If you need more assistance, please contact our support team and they'll be happy to help. For European Mastercard holders, please visit your issuer bank microsite to redeem your free data plan. FlexiRoam, the smartest way to travel flexibly.